Adjusting sequence of operations. The Visual Controls interface includes a sequence of operations page, where you can easily add and manage a detailed control sequence table. By default, the interface displays a table header with columns for various control device types, including occupancy, time schedule, switch, and photocell-based controls. Additional control modes can be seamlessly integrated into other columns as needed. The ribbon interface provides a variety of menus, enabling you to efficiently create, edit, or delete entries in the sequence of operations table. Add space to the sequence of operations. Navigate to the Rows section on the top ribbon and click the Add button. Enter the name for the space type, and the space will be added to the table with corresponding checkboxes automatically populated under each column. Under the time clock column, note that there is no checkbox. Instead, you can manually enter the on and off times, or click the clock icon to add timestamps, with additional settings such as the dusk to dawn option available. In the View section, you can access the Notes area to input any relevant notes, which can then be referenced directly in the table. Link notes to relevant spaces in the sequence of operations table. In the Narrate section, you can view a detailed description of the selected space. This description can be reviewed and edited as needed. To modify the narration, click the Customize button, make the desired changes, and select OK to save and close the window. After adding all space types to the sequence of operations table, you can proceed to associate rooms on the project's design page. Sequence of operations room assignment. Select the room, then navigate to the right side panel under the Room Properties section. Locate the SO drop-down menu, which displays all available space types from the sequence of operations table. Choose the appropriate space type for the selected room, then return to the design page to save the changes. Any space types in the sequence of operations table not linked to a room will be indicated as marked. That's all for this video. Make sure to check out all our visual controls tutorial videos available. Thank you for watching.